Good morning from Alesund. We are going to spend all day here. It is currently 9 in the morning and we are here till 11 o'clock at night. We've got a couple of cool things planned for today. We're going to go kayak through some of the canals, and if you see that tall building right there, there are some stairs that go up to it, and I am going to attempt to climb all of them. I believe it's 418 steps. Alright, so we have made it off the ship and we are on our way following our kayak tour to go get geared up and ready to kayak through the beautiful canals of Alesund. This will be our first time kayaking in cold weather, so it's going to be a new challenge, all this extra weight on us, but I think it's going to be super exciting. It doesn't feel as cold right now, but we'll see how it is on the water. Ready, Captain. Go.
Hey, it's good, guys.
Yes.
There's a big ferry coming into the harbor. We need to stop because they're both.
So not only is this our first time cold kayaking, it's also the first time we get a rudder on the back to turn
Yeah, I know how
it.
to use that.
Weird. That's definitely new. So Ashley's going to be in charge of steering, and I'm going to be in charge of pedaling. Let's see how this goes.
Here, these houses, they are still standing today. They survived the fire because they were a little sheltered by the hill that's behind us. But all the other houses, you can see, they all burnt down. Even the ones on the other side of the channel, because the wind was so strong, it blew the fire over the channel. So in the end, of 1,000 houses in Alesund at the time, 850 burned down. So it was almost the whole city.
Oh God, I hope that comes out on film. Oh, it's beautiful. It's the whole thing. It's right there. Our little tour here is over. It's okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's find us. So there, roughly there.
Here at the 7-Eleven in Alesund, we have put our pin in the map. So we have officially been here because our pin's in the map. We're here at this
Fiskatorget.
But the food online looks really good. Prices are decent for Norway, but it seems a little fancy just to get fish and chips and a burger. And they also serve me Coke in a wine glass. And hopefully it's a good year. This is right next to the cruise port, probably 2 blocks away. Our fancy Alesund lunch for the day. We didn't think we could eat 2 entrees and a soup, so we got 1 soup to share between the 2 of us. And they were nice enough to put it in the bowls for us.
We just tried the fish soup, which to be honest I was pretty nervous about. I wasn't sure how I was going to like fish soup. It doesn't sound great, but I love this. It's delicious, and it's not just fish. There's shrimp, mussels. I'm not even sure what's in here. Like, super good. I'm not sure like if this is maybe some basil infused oil, the green, but whatever it is, it's good, and I like fish soup. I'm sorry to say, and anybody watching from the UK may not agree with me, but I haven't even tasted this yet, and I think it might be the best fish and chips I've had yet. They're just nice and crispy. Very flaky. Let me see if I can get a bite. Hot.
It's fresh.
It's good. And I'm pretty sure that this tartar sauce is homemade.
That super thick burger. Bacon, cheese, pickled onions, pickles, lettuce, some kind of spicy aioli. Really, really good. Alright. That was an amazing lunch here in Alesund. Now we're gonna go wander around a bit, find some shops, and climb a mountain. Let's go.
Stopping for some ice cream, flavor we've never had before, Lilla Vanilla, which is sweet potato. It tastes like vanilla, like purple vanilla.
Like purple vanilla.
Purple vanilla.
I even asked her, I was like, is it sweet potato? And she said, yeah, sweet potato, so. Maybe like a slight hint. Right, so we have explored our way through the one part of Alesund. It's actually a pretty big city type of area. Now we've made our way to the park. This park has a pretty famous statue of the Viking King Rollo. He was famous in several aspects, but he went to France. France didn't want to be invaded, so they offered him some land, which became Normandy in exchange for a bride. I don't know, I'll link to a story down below. Is for the climb to the top of the observation center. This looks kind of steep, kind of fun, and I'm looking forward to it. I don't know if I'm going to get all the way to the top, but let's go check this out. It's not even steps, it's like a path, so it actually makes it a little bit easier to climb. Alright, so that thing I said before about it being a path changed almost immediately. Now it's steps. So climbing to the top of St. Peter's Basilica was about 150 steps, I believe. There's also an elevator. This is 418 steps. Plus out here you're braving the elements. Today it's a little chilly and rainy. Of course I'm dressed for chilly and rain, but that makes me heavier. 268, and I got this. But less than 100 to go. So we have made it to the top. There is a restaurant up here, but you can't go sit unless you're a paying customer. So we're just sitting outside, recuperating ourselves before we tumble back down the mountain. But God, look at those views. I think the views are worth it. It's definitely a good achievement. So guys, that is going to wrap up Alesund, Norway. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed our little adventure through the kayaking and the streets and this wonderful climb that I wasn't sure I was going to be able to make. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you can know when I make more videos. There will be more of these coming up soon. So that's it from here in Alesund, and as always, life is short, the world is wide, so keep traveling.